Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily create a watermelon vector. So first of all, take the ellipse tool and create a circle. Press D to set the default color, foreground color white and stroke black. Go to Windows, color and set foreground color to none. Increase the stroke. Go to object, path, offset path, minus 30px. Okay, go to again object, path, offset path, minus 30px, hit enter. Select all, right click, group, align center vertically and horizontally. Select the line segment tool, create a line, align it center. Select the line segment tool, go to object, path, divide object below, right click, ungroup. Remove the upper part. Select the inside part and fill the color. Select the second layer. Fill the light yellow color. Third layer green color. Select the bottom layer. Go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place. Bring it down a bit. Right click, arrange, send to back. Fill the dark color. Select all. Now you have to make the seeds. Take the ellipse tool, create a circle. Fill the dark color with the help of direct selection tool. Only select the top node and click on convert selected anchor point to corner. Now with the help of direct selection tool, select the node. With the help of mouse, move the selected node to top. Select all. Go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place. Edit, paste in place. Place it like this. Now select the press and hold shift key and click on the bottom shape. Go to Windows, Pathfinder, click on minus. Go to Windows, color, or double click on fill to make a shape color a bit dark. Again go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place, edit, paste in place. Now at this time select the top layer, make it a bit bigger, press and hold shift and select the bottom part. Go to Windows, Pathfinder, minus. This time fill the shape with lighter color. Select, right click, group. Now place randomly. To make a duplicate copy, select the shape, press and hold Alt key and drag with the help of mouse. You can create as many as you want. Place it randomly. Increase or decrease the size to give it a natural look. If you are enjoying this video, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, now select the internal part, go to object, edit copy, edit paste in place, edit paste in place. Move the layer to the left side, top layer. Press and hold shift key and select the bottom layer. Click on minus. Fill with a lighter dark color. Bit light. Same for right side. Go to edit copy, edit paste in place, edit paste in place. Press and hold shift key, select the bottom layer, click on minus from the pathfinder, fill the lighter color. Now do the same for these three layers. You can also use the shortcut keys. Click the layer, Ctrl C copy, Ctrl F paste, Ctrl F paste. Select all, Ctrl G group. You can rotate a bit. Select all. Place the mouse near the one of the corners and rotate it like this. Now let's make the background. Right click, arrange, send to back. Select all color and move outside from the artboard. Adjust the vector size. Create the ellipse tool. Select the oval. set color to multiply, open transparency from Windows, transparency, go to effect, blur, and adjust the shadow, Control C copy, Control F. Your watermelon illustration is ready. Hope you people enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.